This is the one I came to look for, but I'm so obsessed with this. Welcome to Cameroon! I had such an amazing time. Hey guys, so we are leaving Douala to Nkam, which is where the waterfall is. Ekom Nkam Waterfall. So I leave late. It's about 11 o'clock, which means I can't make it as a day trip. I have to sleep somewhere in Nkam. However, I think I already made plans for that already. So we are just going to take it as it is today, and hopefully we get to explore without wahala. But yeah, hop to Konsamba and let's see how this whole journey to that destination is going to be like. So yeah, Konsamba it is. So we made it to Konsamba and now we are heading to right here. Ekom Nkam Waterfall. This is the road that leads there. However, it's not a bad road at all compared to some of the waterfalls that we have. But yeah, I think it's pretty cool. It's okay, and can't wait to get to the waterfall. Although I left the house pretty late, it's about 4 right now, which is crazy to me. It's about like 4 o'clock. I'm just hoping that I still get to get a clear picture, which I do really like this weather a whole lot. So, yep, my skin glows better in nature. I think every other place I've been doesn't really like my skin like that. So, yay! Okay, guys, so we are here, and I'm going to take this step work down to the falls. So, I think the walk starts from here. So, Joseph. So, it's always guide. People need tour guide. Go down there. Okay. How many steps to the falls? 300. 388 steps to the falls. Okay. We come. Now it makes more sense. Is this the highest in Cameroon? So guys, we're trying to get to the bottom of the falls, which is still not a bit of a walk like that. I really don't know why people make some of these things sound strenuous, but not really. So going to the bottom of the falls. I just thought that there's another waterfall. Like if you try to come down the hill, then there's another one coming from here. I'm sure this is going to be seasonal, but this is beautiful. I like this one. It's so clean. Oh, so clean. So this is twins one here, and then this is another one here. And I'm super excited because I like that one. Yeah, I like it. Let's see if I can get close to this one. Hey guys, so there are 2 waterfalls here. I think it only comes up when it's raining. Here, 1, and then over there 2. But I am stuck here because what I see is beautiful, and I love that. We came, we saw, we conquered, and me, I love this part more than this other part. Woo! So you see, welcome to Cameroon. I so much love this one. This is the one I came to look for, but I'm so obsessed with this one.
When after you reach ready, do you have any kind of problem? You have some place where they can help you
Prayer.
Go.
Voodoo.
Then after you can finish the go, anything that are worrying to your life, anything where you need to your life.
Nothing is very neat to my life. Guys, look at this waterfall. I love this.
Idea to
Any
heart,
prayer.
the
Pray.
prayer. Yeah, you can make there. Then after you can finish, it depends. It comes to your heart. When you have something, you can put there. Then when can you go back? You have only 1 month. All things you can take, you can tell like here, can
Come to pass.
happen.
Yeah, that's nice. So guys, I came back to this spot just to see what it ends up like, and then it's not bad. It's not a stressful waterfall to explore at all. Had a great time. So here they have chocolates that you can see. I had such an amazing time.